Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
One last spring-like day to enjoy across the valley before we see some big changes and winter making its return as soon as this evening. So again, outside this morning, it will be a warmer start to the day, near 44 degrees as you step outside. We've had clouds around through the overnight, really help to keep the warmth with us at the surface. So as you look ahead at the day today, it's going to be another warm one. Temperature tracker takes us back to 53 at midday and back into the 60s by 2 p.m. Near 61 degrees, back up to 67 by 4. And believe it or not, we're going to be about 20 degrees above your average daytime high of 50 when we hit near 68 degrees. A very warm and almost unseasonably warm day out there. And of course, whenever we see warm days and changing over to some colder temperatures, well, that's when we have that rocky transition, potentially bringing a chance for a few storms. And that's what we're looking at for the overnight. But again, in the meantime, not much going on out there this morning, just a few clouds, and we will keep that cloud cover with us through a good portion of the day. At least a partly cloudy sky. Not going to be looking at a lot of sunshine altogether this afternoon. But again, just going to be warm. Hopefully you can get out and enjoy those warmer temperatures as we return back into the upper 60s for daytime highs. Now let's look at what we're tracking during the overnight tonight. This is the change I'm talking about. A cold front set to move through as we see a low pressure system setting up. That's going to bring in first a chance for some rain showers beginning around midnight. Heading through the overnight, it does stay all rain, and we can even hear some thunder, perhaps see some lightning with the rain that does move through during the overnight hours. And again, it looks to stay all rain, especially through early tomorrow morning, because come Wednesday afternoon, that's when we're going to start to see that changeover, a rain-snow mixture during the mid-morning hours on Wednesday, and eventually changing back into all snow before this exits by about 3 o'clock come Wednesday afternoon. And there is a chance, or at least the potential, to see some minor snowfall accumulations. We're not looking at a lot here, but with that rain-snow mixture, could potentially see up to an inch of accumulation south of that I-70 corridor and northward, perhaps 1 to 2 inches, and that includes Mattoon over through Rockville. So keep that in mind. Some minor snow accumulations will be possible, but since we had the warm temperatures yesterday, the warmer temperatures that will be around today, that ground's going to be warm, and that will limit accumulation, but nonetheless, could see some slick spots out there as we head through our Wednesday afternoon. That system exits. The warm air is long gone by this point. In fact, it gets very cold as we drop back near 13. Kick off today on Thursday before temperatures start to moderate by the end of the week. So a cold blast of air moving in for your Wednesday and Thursday morning. It's going to be quite chilly, winter-like out there as we head through the next couple of days. So again, enjoy these temperatures. 68 degrees, a partly cloudy sky. Again, those numbers running you about 20 degrees above average. Through the overnight tonight, that's when rain showers move in, even a chance for a few thunderstorms. And keep in mind, it is going to get windy. Wind gusts out of the northwest up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures drop back to 32 during the overnight tonight, fluctuate into lower 30s tomorrow morning, and then those numbers fall off. Temperatures in the 20s throughout the day on Wednesday. That's why we'll see that morning mix changing over to snow in the afternoon. Also mix in some cold, gusty winds with wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour throughout the day on Wednesday. So cold and windy for us midweek, but Thursday and Friday we already start to improve those conditions up to 55 for Friday afternoon, 51 on Saturday, 44 with the next chance of rain by next Sunday.